Well, hello, my fellow DAC broker. So today we are going to talk about approach. We're going to talk about approach going into a business. So let's get started. This is going to be fun. So if you know anything about my background, you know that I have door knocked for many years, residential and commercial. Probably over 3 decades. Okay, so door knocking to me, it's not a stranger. I've never met a person that wasn't a friend, but a lot of it's personality, a lot of it's charisma. Now, I'm not saying you got to be all bubbly and happy and energetic, but someone who is boring is not going to get any attention, and they're going to psychologically just shut you down like that. So you've got to go in with a little bit of energy. So I'm going to give you a couple approaches you could do and some things you could explain to get in the door of a business. Now, pardon me being outside, but I thought, it's a beautiful morning. Let's go ahead and share this with you in the morning and bright and perky so I can get it on the YouTube channel for you can watch it and start to apply it right away. So here's what I'm talking about. I'm going to step out of frame, kind of like this, and then I'm going to come back in and put my door knocking face on. Now here's different approaches. Watch very closely. Now, I have business cards. I have a little business card holder. It just looks professional instead of just taking a stack of business cards out of your pocket. And my business card, as you know, looks like this. So it has the QR code on it. I'll give you some close-ups there so you can see it. QR code tells a little bit about us, my contact information, my website, which is oktoearn.com. Remember, I'm approaching a retail customer. This is not for brokers. oktoearn.org is our broker site. oktoearn.com is my retail site for business owners to get their loans. And then on the back, it has more information. And of course, the QR code again. Any direction you have this card, they're going to get information about me. So what I do is I put the business card in the business card holder and I keep it in my pocket. I don't walk in with anything, okay? So here's the approach. Are you ready? I'm going to get in character face, and here we go. I'm going to show you a couple different versions. Hi, sorry to bother you. Hey, I just wanted to come in and introduce myself a little bit. My name is Brian Heald. I'm an independent broker for DAC. If you don't know what DAC is, DAC means David Allen Capital. And what we do is business funding. Let me give you one of our cards. If you have ever any need for us, inventory, redecorating, maybe you want to open up a new location, maybe you have some equipment that has failed and you need some new equipment, or maybe you just need it for marketing, we're here for you. Because when banks say no, we say yes. I hope you call us. I'm here in Lakeland. I'm your local representative. Give me a call. We'll sit down with a cup of coffee and see how this may work for you. Okay, didn't want to take up much of your time. God bless. Have a great day. And we'll see you when you call us. Hey, how you doing today? Hey, sorry to bother you. Listen, I wanted to ask you a question. I'm giving 10 of our business cards out to every single business owner in this community because my name's Brian Heald. I'm the independent broker for DAC, which stands for David Allen Capital, as you can see in my shirt. And what we do is we do business funding. Here's my proposition to you. If you let me put these 10 business cards on your counter, every single time someone calls us, we ask them, where did you get our business card? If they get a loan that gets funded, if they have a successful funding with our company, there's a $100 bill in it for you. Sound good? All right, you mind if I let them right here? Fantastic, thank you. Hey, how you doing today? Hey, I just wanted to stop by and introduce myself. My name is Brian Heald. I'm an independent broker for DAC, which stands for David Allen Capital. And what we do is capital. Hey, if you ever need any, let us know. Maybe it's some equipment funding. Maybe it's something you need around the office here. Maybe you're opening up a new location. You just need some funding. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever been turned down from a bank when you tried to get a bank loan? You have? 2 banks and a credit union? Yep, we hear that all the time. Well, that's why we're in business. So for the last 10 years, we've helped over 300,000 business owners get capital that they needed when the banks were saying no to them. May I give you a card and at least show you exactly what we do? And if you ever need us, call me. I'll buy the coffee. I'll come over. We'll sit down. We'll talk. Let's see if this is a good fit for you. If it is, great. If it's not, we'll say goodbye and stay friends. But if you ever need us, we're here for you. Okay, I know you're busy. You've got customers waiting. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. So that'll give you some approaches. That'll give you some ideas, right? Now, obviously, you don't have to do it verbatim exactly as I say it. Just be natural. Be yourself. I mean, let people know, hey, man, we're here. If you need us, give us a call. And I'll buy them a cup of coffee. I'll sit down with them and talk. It might be a deal. It might not be. It takes a 5-minute application for them to figure out what they qualify for, and then they can decide if they want the loan or not. If the terms work out for them and they agree to it, it's a great fit for them. Remember, the cost of money. We don't use the word interest because this is not an amortized loan. This is not a scheduled loan. Most loans also have PPPs, prepayment penalties. We have sometimes prepayment discounts. So the faster they pay the loan off, the less interest, there's the word I use, the less cost of money it costs them for that money. For example, let's say they borrow $100,000. And let's say they have really good credit and they have a good payment history for the last 3 months of their business. They're doing very well. And we loan them that $100,000. Well, maybe the factor in that is 1.13. This is just hypothetical. 1.13. So what that means is they're going to pay back the $100,000 plus $13,000 of cost of money. That's the cost of money, right? Now, people are like, wow, that seems kind of expensive. That sounds like 13%. It's not. Let me explain. A PPD, a prepayment discount, is going to get them a big discount if they pay it off early. Let's say the terms we have on that $100,000 becomes 18 months, okay? They pay it off in 6 with a PPD. They might only pay $3,000 in interest. Now they only paid 3% of that $100,000 they borrowed. But what you know with most business owners, they can take that $100,000 and in 6 months turn it into $300,000. That's why they're in business. So folks, I just want to share that with you so understand how that works in the jargon. If you use the word amortized loan or interest rate, things like that, those are not words we use in this industry. It's cost of money and factor. What's the factor rate? What's the cost of money? Well, we don't know that. We don't know that. Don't take underwriting's job from us. They do that. We don't. I'm just giving you a hypothetical. But that'll give you an idea about what they're looking at for the cost of this money. But the fact is, it doesn't cost them anything if they make a couple $100,000 profit from it, does it? Really? I mean, it doesn't. It doesn't cost them anything. And what's really neat about it is when they pay us off, they can get halfway in the term of our agreed upon term, and we can give them more money because they've had a good payment history. Or once they pay it off, a lot of these businesses come back 6 and 8 times for more money because they had such a good experience with us. So always remember that. Anyhow, I didn't mean to make this so long, but I wanted to share this with you. Hope you have a blessed day today, and those door knocking ideas come in really handy. And don't forget, you've got a lot of industries out there that'll throw you referrals right and left if they like you. Realtors, title companies, attorneys, accountants, CPAs, anybody that's dealing with businesses all the time, they make great referral people. Anybody that's basically talking to other business owners, make sure you spend a little more time on them and talk to them about our referral program. They don't have to become certified brokers like you. They could just become a referral agent. All they got to do is sign up. It takes 30 seconds, and they can start referring their own customers. So that's an idea. That's a way to start building your agency. Remember, agency will get you leverage. You selling one-on-one is only you. I'm a firm believer, like the J. Paul Getty, I always say, the old saying, I'd rather have 1% of 100 people's efforts than 100% of my own. Building an agency, folks, is where it's at. Focus on building your agency while you're getting your own retail customers. All right, I hope you have a blessed day today. We'll see you on the next time. I've got more training for you. Keep posted.